who's here, along with some faces most of us know, and I would like to call them on stage by name and before they take their place, which is going to be right up there. First, would like to welcome Mr. Hans Christian to the stage, please.
Come on, guys.
Hello, gentlemen. My name is Mr. Hans. I came from Bombay especially for Mr. Muhammad Al Khoury invited me for this golden opportunity. And I would like to say thank you for all the Aramco groups and staff and their families, and which they have given me this golden opportunity to judge this Talent 2014. I would like to say once again thank you, and I will do my best and best of luck for all the competitor and talents who are participating in this events. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hans. Would request you to stand by for a moment before we call the other judges. Next we call somebody whom most of you know. If you don't know, I would like to introduce Mr. Mohammad Khoury. Anybody who does not know Mohammad Khoury? Should he introduce himself or no need? To balance the panel of judges, we have two beautiful women here. Both of them are from Hilton. They have been with Hilton, with our Hilton, for the last almost 15 years. We have given them tough times, and they have given us tough times. So now we are giving them a tough job of being the judge today. We'd like to introduce first Ms. Madina Osman.
Come on, let's hear it for Miss Madina.
Let me try this one.
Please, you can sing also.
Yes, I can. Can you all hear me? Good evening. It has been really a pleasure to be here to see all of you. And we are very excited and really would like to see how you are going to perform. And we will be fair and honest when it comes to the judgment. Thank you very much for allowing us to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. One of the factors the judges would consider is the decibel level of your appreciation for the artist. So please keep it high. Don't be partial to only your company, guys. Be fair, be sport, and give your best of your claps to all the good participants. The last of the judges, but not the least, Ms. Faria Al-Hadan.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank Mr. Vijay for inviting us to be part of tonight, and it's an exciting event. And we are looking forward to watch all those 10 talented group and individuals. And I would like to say, yes, we will be fair, because we don't know a majority of you. And let the best to win tonight. So I wish you all the best and good luck, and looking forward to the event. Thank you.
You can leave Madina for a while. You can go back to her when you get back to Hilton.
Before we ask the judges to get back, could I invite the mastermind behind this talent show, Miss Mithu Badra from HR? Let's hear it louder. Mithu, we would like to have a few words from you and words of appreciation for the team who has been involved behind this.
I was just signaling to Mr. Vijay, don't call me up on stage. Good evening, Aramco. How are you? Thank you all for coming. This is a wonderful opportunity that has been provided to us. I would like to thank our owners and each and every single business unit head who is here. Mr. Vijay, thank you so much for your support all the time. Mr. Khoury, a special mention to you. Thank you so much. I thank all the judges, Hans, Madina, Faryal, thank you for coming. And thank you to a great team who's behind this. Go HR! Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now may we request the judges to please find their spot right up there. There is a secluded place only for the judges, no influences. Yeah, the volunteers will guide them up. Thank you all.
Thank you. Let's
all
hear it
best.
for the judges. All right, guys. As we get into the spirit of the union, tomorrow being the 43rd National Day, let's start with an Arabic performance, and let's hear it for Murshid and group. Guys, come on, a round of applause for Murshid and group.
يا أيها الباب مقابل بابنا ما عندكم للعاشقين تبيب قالوا بنا والله عندنا ولكن تب العاشقين سما سعيب مرقتي ما بين سمعة من اخوتي والبرج عالي والوسازيب إذا قتلوك نما علي الملامة إذا قتلت صرت انت الحبيب دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا ولا يعين دنيو دنا لدن دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا لدن دنيو دنا ولا يعين خدها الأحمر في ويا خدها الأحمر في ويا خدها الأحمر في ويا خدها الأحمر ويا يعين دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا ويا يعين كحل رباني في عينه كحل رباني في عينه كحل رباني في عينه كحل رباني ويا يعين دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا ويا يعين حبها الأسمر في ايدها حبها الأسمر في ايدها حبها الأسمر في ايدها حبها الأسمر ويا يعين دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا دنيو دنا ويا يعين دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا دنا لدن دنيو دنا ويا يعين
All right, guys, let's hear it for Mushid and group. Louder! Thank you for that level of energy. All right, before we proceed further, I would like to thank our senior managers who've taken out time and been here. To start with, Mr. Rory from Arenco Real Estate. Mr. Pasha from Thrifty Abu Dhabi. Let's hear it for him. Mr. Rahul, Managing Director for Car Rental Group. Woo, that's it. Mr. Mikdad from Western Furniture. And Mr. Marwan from Dollar Rent-A-Car. Thank you all for coming once again. All right, so let's begin. Now, are you ready for some bombastic performances tonight? Great stuff. Could I invite Gina on stage?
All right. In their own words, this is how we do it, which seems to be the perfect motto for this team of the Arenco Group companies, who not only created the opportunities, but also became an integral part of one of these opportunities. After blasting the auditions with their sizzling Radha on the Dance Floor number, they bring the finals a very unique parody that meets all-time favorites. Right from the 50s, right up to the millennium, and takes everyone down the Bollywood memory lane. So if everybody will help me in applauding, we'll welcome the group HR.
So guys, we are the HR Dazzlers. We are all ready to perform on live for you for the finals.
Hi, I'm Sana. My name is Patricia.
Sandeep Makina.
I'm Derma. I'm Kathleen.
Francis and T. Pasuri.
Nova.
I'm Usman.
Nisha.
Usman.
Louisa. Alan Jean. Yeah, everybody, we are the finals.
We have contributed in this is like mission impossible.
Yeah, out of 82 participants, and we are in.
Yeah, definitely it's a challenge. When we finished the auditions, it's really excitement.
And you know what? The auditions in Simple was fabulous.
From the audition, and our journey went through till the finals.
You know, I'm so pleased and I'm so happy to be here and be part of the finals. I mean, it is big.
Flattered at the same time and excited because I know that they also appreciate what they have done during the finals.
Even though we're not the professional dancers,
Which we made it prove that this can be possible when you people work in a team.
And hopefully finals is going to be blasted.
we are going to show you guys a complete package of Bollywood, how Bollywood started off and what Bollywood is today. So do watch us, see how performance is. Hope you guys like it.
Radha on the dance floor.
Radha likes to party. Radha likes to move that sexy Radha body.
Wait. This time it's not going to be Radha anymore. We have a new song coming up. So watch out for our HR Dazzlers.
क्या इश्क ने समझा है, क्या हुस्न ने जाना है, हम खाक नशीनों की ठोकर में जमाना है।
बदलेगा कभी
तुमने कहा इस राह का नीत न बदलेगा कभी प्यार टूटा साच छूटा चांद
न चमकेगा कभी
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल
क्या हुआ
मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है, जमाने से हम नहीं। नहीं नहीं
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। चलो डॉन, पुलिस तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही है।
करने दो। डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन सोनिया एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है।
तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह।
Will you sing with me? Say D. Say I. Say S.
बाहें नश्तर, ये होंठ कौसर, मेरी आगोश में होश भी बेहोश होगा। ये शोखी, ये अदाएं, ये बांकपन, इनकी कीमत भला दुनिया तय कर सकती है क्या?
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं। बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं।
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा।
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को दो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या? सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं।
एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता।
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਲਵ ਕਰਦਾ, ਬੇਮਤਲਬ ਕਰਦਾ, ਬਾਹੋਂ में आ सोनिए, बस आज रात के लिए। साडी तां देसी है अदा, साडे ते हो जानी फिदा, बाहों में आ सोनिए, बस आज रात के लिए।
दूसरे को हम सोने
Ladies and gentlemen, picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है जुल्फ खुली है रेशम रेशम सांस खुली है माथा माथा ये तो इशारे हैं अकलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
Come on, guys, give it up for them.
A lot of Bollywood for you. Can we have the mic at the judges column? Is there? Mr. Khuri, let's start with you. A few words of motivation for them.
Excellent job.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you. Great. Mr. Hans?
Yeah, they have done great job.
Yes.
And excellent. And I will say best of luck. And shortly they will get their result also. Thank you.
Thank you. And from the ladies?
Great job, lots of entertainment, well choreographed. Thank you.
This is an excellent preparation with a lot of excitement, and we really wish them all the best.
All right, thank you. Before we go, I would like to take a word from our judges here. I'm going to jump down. Mr. Marwan, a little bit about Bollywood, please.
Marwan is the only one in the front row was singing all the songs together. I thought Mithu will hide. Finally, she turned up. So judges, please note, she was there.
I thought that was absolutely stunning. Well done, all of you.
Absolutely great, stunning job, wonderful performance. But at least I know now, why my delays in HR is happening. You guys must have choreographed for a long time to do all this. But a good job, super job.
All right, guys. Mithu, would you like to take us through your practice session, all these days that you've been involved in? How was your group working with it?
Well, I think the rightful people who are to answer this are these guys.
Come on, all HR is here. Let's hear it from you guys.
Really, for the day we have heard about Talent Hunt show, we were not expected at what we are going to do it, but really now I'm also amazing what we have done it. So really, I thank for really Miss Mithu, who has put us that teamwork in all of our team members, and hopefully with the teamwork we'll do a lot of other things.
Can I ask who was the choreographer? Sana, come in front. Yeah. we could make out from her dancing. Are you a professional dancer?
No, sir. Just a normal dancer.
Just the dandiya 10 days a year?
Yeah.
Okay. Well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
All right, now we just won't say that HR is all about policies and procedures, a lot of entertainment as well, yeah? All right, you guys ready for more performances? Great. Can we have the energy in the room by a huge round of applause? Great, thank you.
Our next act tonight is driven by love and praise for his talent and impassioned bravado singing. Prabhakaran's legacy as a singer dates back to his school days. A sales executive of DFMC, Prabhakaran has performed for several public audiences in the UAE and India, and has recently taken up piano lessons that would be the icing on his cake for his future performances. Tonight, he's all set to flood the galleries with his melodious renditions of fusion music. It Seems Love is in the Air, a mesmerizing, soulful track by Prabhakaran from DFMC.